Well, welcome back. We're doing some tests upstairs today on some of the off-the-shelf available systems, just to see how they might compare to your build your own system. So I've got an Ecoflow here today, and I first started it, and it's running my mini split right now. It's been running it for about 20 minutes. But not long after I got it going, did it go down from 2 hours to 1 hour. Still saying 1 hour. I'll be happy if I get 1 hour out of it. Turns out a lot of these off-the-shelf portable power stations are using a different battery technology. They're not normally using lithium iron phosphate. And so if you look at their specs, you'll get 800 charge cycles out of them if you're lucky. And that, of course, is going to assume that you're using the slow charge option on there, which nobody uses. Everybody wants to use the fast charge. And so you'll probably get around 2 years of cycling out of that battery technology if you're lucky. It's not really designed for a lot of cycling. So it's got a different purpose, really, I think. It's a heavier battery for the same density, but it's probably good enough for just having an emergency generator that you never use sitting in the closet. It's probably, you know, $1,200 is what I paid for this one. And that's without any panels or anything. So I guess actually the price isn't that great. But for the same $1,200, you could build yourself a lithium iron phosphate based system that can have 5,000 to 8,000 charge cycles on it. So you can actually run those day in, day out, charge discharge as an actual part of your energy system. So trying to get to a place in between where I can split off like the top of that system and use it as a portable generator, but leave the bottom part intact to just run stuff 24/7 around here and actually make my money back on the electricity. So that's kind of the way I've been thinking about it. It's a little different than what's out there right now, but it does qualify for those federal tax rebates. So hopefully everything will work and continue to work as expected. We'll let you know. It's looking like under an hour now for the EcoFlow on this 1-ton mini split.